Ladies and gentlemen, here it is. After dozens of tries, dozens of ports, seeing dozens of ships, hours of GoPro time, I finally caught it. I got horny. Wait. What I meant to say was I finally caught a horn. This was courtesy of Royal Caribbean, taken off out of the port of Miami. I cannot remember which ship it was. I apologize for that. Hey, while you guys are at it, reach down there, hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications, help promote our channel. We appreciate it, and we'll see you next time.